In this lecture, we will quickly discuss about the Regional Internet Registry, that is RIR. As a CEH aspirant, you need to have basic understanding about Regional Internet Registry. A Regional Internet Registry is an organization that manages the allocation and registration of Internet number resources within a particular region of the world. There are total 5 regional internet registries across the globe. So, what are these 5 internet registries? First one is African Network Information Center that serves the Africa. Second one is Latin America and Caribbean Network Information Center that serves the most of the Caribbean and all of the Latin America. Third one is American Registry for Internet Numbers that serves the Antarctica, Canada, parts of the Caribbean and the United States. Fourth one is Asia Pacific Network Information Center that serves East Asia, Oceania, South Asia and Southeast Asia. Fifth one is Resource IP Europeans Network Coordination Center that serves Europe, Central Asia, Russia and West Asia. So these are the 5 regional internet registries. Okay, which regional internet registry will be controlling the IP address registered in France? So France is in Europe, so relevant registry will be Resource IP Europeans Network Coordination Center. Let us move to the next question. Which regional internet registry manages the distribution and registration of IP addresses in North America? Your answer should be American Registry for Internet Numbers. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.